Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're breaking down one of the most common methods cybercriminals use today to hijack TikTok accounts, and more importantly, how you can stay one step ahead of them. Before we dive in, a quick warning. This video is strictly for educational and awareness purposes. The demonstration you're about to see is done in a controlled environment and does not involve hacking or accessing any real TikTok accounts. Its purpose is to help beginners understand how phishing scams work and how attackers try to trick users. Using this information for illegal or unethical activities is not allowed and can lead to serious consequences. First, I'm going to open up the terminal and start the demonstration. The framework being used here is known as Phisher, a phishing toolkit that attackers rely on to clone login pages of popular platforms. It helps demonstrate social engineering risks without targeting real users. Once we launch it, you'll see several options appear. Inside the terminal, Phisher displays a list of fake website templates. Each template is crafted to closely mimic real services people use every day. This is how attackers fool victims into believing they're logging into a legitimate site. For this demo, I'll choose the template made to impersonate TikTok's login page, which is number 10. Next, the tool asks where the phishing page should be hosted. Since this is only a controlled demo running on my own system, I'll select the local server option, which keeps everything contained within my PC. At this stage, Phisher generates a link that points to the fake TikTok login page. In real-world attacks, hackers usually send this link through direct messages, emails, or social media chats to lure victims into clicking it. For demonstration purposes, I'll simply copy the link and open it in my browser. As soon as the page loads, the terminal instantly registers an incoming connection. Notice how the fake TikTok login page looks almost identical to the real one. Most of the time, it pretends to be a free service that claims it can add 1,000 followers to your TikTok account. The victim is lured into logging in, thinking they'll receive followers, but instead their account details are taken. It asks for a username and password just like the original site. Now, I'll enter a sample username and a random password. Then submit the form. The moment that happens, the credentials are immediately captured and shown inside the terminal. No alerts. No warnings. Just instant data theft. This is what makes phishing attacks extremely dangerous. The fake pages are convincing enough to fool even experienced users. This part of the video is meant to help you understand how phishing scams actually work in the real world. By seeing how attackers design fake offers and clone login pages, you can learn how easily people are deceived online. The goal is to build awareness, especially for beginners, so you can recognize suspicious links, avoid fake giveaways, and protect your accounts before any damage is done. Understanding these tactics is one of the most effective ways to stay safe on social media. So how do you protect yourself from falling into this trap? Always inspect links carefully before clicking them. Turn on two-factor authentication for your TikTok account so stolen passwords alone won't be enough to log in. Avoid links sent through unsolicited messages or emails, and use a trusted password manager. It won't autofill credentials on fake websites. Before we end, let me be very clear once again, this demonstration did not target any real TikTok users or accounts. Everything shown here was performed in a safe, isolated environment strictly for educational reasons. Unauthorized access to accounts is illegal and comes with serious consequences. Stay smart. Stay ethical. Stay secure. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content. Thanks for watching.